How a frog drinks water in the heat. It was scorching outside. The heat index hit 110 degrees. We thought this little frog might need a refreshing drink, so we offered him some cold water. But guess what? Instead of sipping, he did something unexpected. He jumped right in for a full body soak. That's right, frogs don't just drink water like we do. They absorb it through their skin. This little guy was cooling off and hydrating all at once. Talk about efficiency. Who else wishes they could beat the heat like this? Drop a froggy cool in the comments if this made you smile.